This presentation gets into three factors which determine a video's size. Before we discuss those factors, however, it is helpful to know something about video proportions or the resolution of a video. The rectangle you're looking at could be thought of as measuring four units across, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 3 units down, 1, 2, 3. We call that a 4:3 type of video. Think of a 2:4. Well, this 2:4 is 4:3. That's a standard type of video. A high-definition type of video will typically be a wider rectangle, and this rectangle will be 16 units across by 9 units up and down, or 16 by 9. This is the type of video, the wider video, that a camcorder will shoot or that a mobile device such as an iPhone will shoot, and it's the type of video that we will talk about for the rest of this presentation. Three factors that determine a video's size. One of these is length, and that can be expressed in terms of how long the video is in minutes and seconds. The dimensions of a video involve the video's height and width. And the rate of a video in terms of bits per second or kilobits per second is the third way that a video's size is determined. A bit is a very, very tiny piece of data, and a kilo is 1,000 bits. Let's talk about a video that's 1 minute long, just 1 minute long. The video that comes out of your camcorder or iPhone could very well be 1920 bits, 1920 pixels going across, and 1080 pixels going down. Think of a pixel as being a unit of measurement similar to the blocks that you see in this graph. That's way too large to be uploaded to an assignment in a learning management system such as Canvas or attached to an email. 1 minute of a video this size could very well be 75 megabytes in size. So the idea is to compress this video using a solution such as Windows Live Movie Maker, so that the width could be conceivably something like 426 pixels across and 320 pixels down. It'll still have this resolution, but the size, by simply reducing the size of the video in pixels, will be something like 11 or 12 megabytes per second. Now, that's a more reasonable size for emailing. In terms of kilobits per second, even though we may have a video that's right-sized, 426 by 320 pixels, if it's moving at 8,000 kilobits per second, that is quite a bit. So using the settings of whatever software you're using to compress the video, Windows Live Movie Maker or iMovie, if you could get that down to 500 kilobits per second, you would still have a reasonable quality video, and the size of the video would be about 4 to 5 megabytes in size. So we started out with a video that was 75 megabytes in size, and by compressing the video in a software such as Windows Live Movie Maker or iMovie, you can conceivably get it down to 11 megabytes per second. That's good. Or maybe even 4 or 4.5 megabytes per second, which would be almost 1/20th the size of the original video.